Hi friends, I really appreciate you took this step today. So I am Ravi Rashwant from moneyanestro.com. Today you are here. Definitely you want to know something related to online business, then believe me, I will share one of the great system with you, and with that you can start your online business easily from your home. So what this system is? This system is called the Partner with Anthony Morrison. If you don't know about him, then you can search his name on a Google and you will find he is right now one of the top affiliate marketer and author of many successful books. So what this system is? This system is a video course where you will get day by day training, and with that you can start your affiliate marketing business from scratch. But before that I want to make it clear, this is not a system where you will start making money online from your first day. This is a process, and if you will follow the whole process with full dedication, then I am sure about that you will definitely get the success. So how you can join this course? You can join this course for just $7 per month, and believe me, this price is really cheap because Anthony Morrison is right now one of the top affiliate marketers and he has a very great experience and he is sharing his secrets in this video course. So $7 is nothing if I will compare it with the information you will get inside this course. So this course is highly recommended by me, and now I will share the whole ecosystem. This is the whole ecosystem created by the Anthony Morrison, where you will get day by day sessions. Just watch all the videos and after that complete all the tasks and click on mark this session complete. With that your next session will be available within a 24 hour. You can also see the comments given by the people who are going from this course. They are really excited about this, and definitely why not? This course is really amazing. Now I will tell how you can make money online with this system too. When you will join this course, then you will get your affiliate link, and when anyone will join this course using your affiliate link, you will make 50 commission from it. I will explain how this system is working. When anyone will join this course using your affiliate link, you will make 50 commission from it. Then this course price is $7, then you will make 50% of $3.50 from this sale. And not only that, when people will go from this course day by day and they will use the recommended tools, you will also make affiliate commission from it too. So this course is multi-source of income type course where you will make money from the more than one sources. That's why this system is really amazing. So must join this course, take the whole training and start your online business from today.